Hi, I'm Molly, owner of Cody Residential, based here in Kansas City, and today we're going to build a bedroom together. So to get started, we're just going to go ahead and click room, and then we're just going to drag it to the dimensions that we want. So we're going to go about 15 to about 12 today, and then we're also going to create a walk-in closet. So I'm just going to stay in that room tab and just build it out this way. So we're going to do a big one. Okay, so for the sake of time, I have also created a short list. To do that, you just go into catalog and then you would click the room that you're looking for. So we are doing bedroom. And then when you find something you like, you just click heart and it goes straight to your short list. So today we are doing the bedroom. So we're going to go ahead and just start building out with furniture. And once I have one item, if it's a duplicate, I just click clone and drag it over where it needs to go. And I found this awesome wooden wardrobe we're going to put in the closet. So then to rotate it, you just click on rotate and drag it to its place. And then I always utilize my tabs on my keyboard to put things exactly where I want them. Okay, so I just added in a mirror and it is too short for what I want. So to resize it, you're just going to click edit up here, and then I'm going to change the height to 5 feet. And again, I'm going to clone one for the other side. And I'm just going to use my keyboards to lower them. Go back into my short list and grab my lamps. Okay, so next we definitely need to add some doors. And I'm going to go back into 2D for this. And we'll add one, saying that's like a hallway as well. Okay, so we're going to go back into 3D and change the color of the walls here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so to do that, you would just click on texture on the left-hand side, and then you can filter by whatever material you want. I'm actually just going to search for white paint here, and we're going to do origami white. So what's awesome about this too is if you were working with a client with a specific wallpaper, you can just upload it here, a picture of it, and then we'll change the color of the doors as well. And to change the colors, you just literally click on the different features that you want to be that color. So say you wanted the nightstands to match the doors, you could totally just paint them all the same color there. And you can do this for mirrors and everything. So let's say we wanted black mirrors and a black bed, we could do that. You can change it any way you want. And then lastly, I'm just going to add in a floor to ceiling window wall. And this is a bit too tall, so I will just click on that and click edit. And then we're going to change the height to 9 feet. And lastly, for time, we are just going to take a render. So you would just position everything how you want it. And one of my favorite parts is that you can go into lighting and click the different scene that you want. So we'll just do winter forest for today's sake. And then once you get your field of view adjusted and your camera height just how you want it, you can go ahead and take your render. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and you can do a free 14-day trial of Foyr Neo, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.